Hello and welcome to our Wellness Wednesday series, Healthy Cooking Essentials. My name is Allison Knight and I'm the health coach for Employee Health Center. Cooking at home can seem daunting, but in the long run it can save you money and improve your overall health. In this series we're going to go through a variety of kitchen gadgets and utensils that can make cooking at home easier. Today's gadget is the Immersion blender. So this is going to be one of the most expensive gadgets that we cover in this series, but it's a really great gadget if you like to have smooth soups, smoothies, baby food, etc. This is really convenient because instead of taking the hot food that you've prepared and having to add it to the blender and then having to alternate between letting the steam out and then trying to prevent splattering everywhere, as well as moving it in batches, you can blend the food right in the dish that you've prepared it in. So not only is it more convenient, but it also saves you time and it prevents you having to dirty more dishes and having to do more dishes. So this is really great for making soups like homemade creamy tomato soup or my favorite butternut squash. I also use it to make a lentil soup and kind of crush up some of the lentils so you get some smoothness in it. You can use it as a personal blender. You can put it right into a big cup with your smoothie options, whether that's fruit or vegetables or whatever. Blend it right in the cup. And again, you can also use it to make baby food as well, super easily, right in the dish that it's been prepared in. This generally is going to retail for around $35. You can get some versions for cheaper, more like $20, but it goes all the way up to $100. Obviously, certain versions are going to work better than others. Some also come with attachments like a whisk or a frother. Some even come with a chopper, so you can use it for a few other things as well. But it's very versatile. This is the most recent kitchen gadget that I actually got, and it was super great to have over the cold months to make homemade soup because I really do enjoy the homemade soup, but it's such a pain to do, and this makes it so much easier. So if you also like to make homemade soup, or you're interested in preparing your own homemade baby food, or you're interested in kind of that personal blender aspect without the actual blender, this might be the option for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you next week on Healthy Cooking Essentials.